There are a lot of choices out there for HVAC equipment, especially for commercial buildings. Contractors, architects, and more need to rely on an HVAC company that has their best interests in mind.
So Denair offers engineering solutions and support to complex HVAC projects. The construction is a team sport, and being transparent with the team involved in the project is very important for us because we help each other out as well. So by helping each other, by communicating to each other, we are building one project. We're all one family that is shooting for the same goal to be more efficient and more productive on a job site.
Commercial HVAC is a complicated process. That's why Denair is there to help.
The goal is to break down the project into detail so that it is helpful for the client to understand exactly what we do, our game plan, and it helps our team to manage the field operation properly. So our teams of engineers prepare a vast variety of details, sketches, shop drawings, whether it's 2D or 3D drawings, that will make it the most presentable for them to understand how they resolve complex issue on the job sites.
So some of our customers that we're able to assist and work on projects would be commercial and residential spaces. That would include museums, theaters, retail offices, hospitals. Those are some of the projects we're able to work on. In most cases where we have an architect and engineer on part of the team, we'll work with their recommendations. However, we do have instances where we will act as a project management team, and we will talk to the customer about what their needs are, what their budgets are, and also the timeline.
Denair puts its clients and their employees first, which is why the company has continued to grow since its inception in 2007.
When people have problems, they come to the office because we know that we'll help them as much as we can to resolve the problems. They come to the office with suggestions, how to organize the field, how to make things better, faster. It makes us a family, and that makes us different from a lot of other subcontractors.
The clients say they deserve the best. We want them to have the best product. In order for us to provide that, we have to listen to them, we have to understand what their needs are.
And the result of the project is to make sure that equipment is operational. Therefore, our mission is to deliver fully functioned heating, ventilation, and air conditioning to the end user. In the last 5 years, we have proven that we are able to stand behind our product.
To learn more about Denair, visit their website, denairhvac.com, or watch this segment again at InsideTheBlueprint.com.